Hey guys, I just wanted to upload a quick video today. For those that don't know, Kali 2018.1 has now been released. So if you head over to kali.org, you can see some details about this release here on their blog. So it's the first Kali Linux release of 2018, which contains a lot of updated packages and bug fixes since 2017.3. And they've also been trying to fix the Meltdown and Spectre issues. So this is the blog post in full about the release. As you can see, the kernel's been updated to 4.14. There's not really any major changes in this, apart from these two new features here. If you've already got an existing release of Kali Linux installed, for example 2017.3, see my previous video for that if you've got that installed. You can just simply update to 2018.1 just by opening up a terminal and running this command here. So if you run that command in an open terminal, that will just update your packages to 2018.1. And see this next bit here, should you come across this issue when you're trying to update, the GPG error about a repository key being expired, just run this command and that should sort that issue out as well. There's a bit here about Hyper-V, and if you want to download the ISO image file of Kali Linux 2018.1, you can just go to the download page here and download the Kali Linux 64-bit version, 2.9 gigabytes. I always download by torrents, seems to be a bit quicker. But yeah, for now, if you just want to update, just go and run this command if you're on 2017.3 or an earlier release. I will have a new video coming soon on a fresh install of 2018.1. So until then, I'd like to thank you for watching, and I will see you soon. Thanks very much.